Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Omron HEM7120 fully automatic digital blood pressure monitor. This, as I mentioned, this is a blood pressuring monitor, digital blood pressure monitor. This can be used at home or even and this is also used by health professionals as well, and recommended by a lot of doctors. Comes with a 3-year warranty, which is great, and it is also clinically validated by a lot of international standards. Let's see what other information we have. Last memory for ease and reference, just press. Okay, this has a memory built in, which is great. Irregular heartbeat detection. Basically, it measures systolic and diastolic pressure, which is basically your heartbeat. Hypertension indicator blinks when the measurement is displayed if your systolic or diastolic pressure is outside of the normal range. Basically, it catches this machine is designed to catch any kind of irregularities in your body. Body movement detection alerts you of any body movement. So the IntelliSense technology allows this device to retain whatever pressure it has measured so that you don't have to reinflate it. That's a great thing actually. That's basically science catching up to everything. Cuff wrapping size is 22 centimeters to 32 centimeters, which is basically your normal hand size. Okay, simple to use. One touch button makes it easy for you to monitor your blood pressures daily. Clinically validated, comes with IntelliSense technology for comfort and accuracy, and technology by Omron Healthcare in Japan. It's a well-known company, to be very fair. This is a lot of stuff here. This is the monitor. These are the cuffs. There are some documents here. This is a warranty card from Omron. I'm going to keep this one right over here. This one is a user manual, of course, an instruction manual. So all the safety information, all the product information, all the quick tips and tricks, and every step that you need to know in order to use it is right here. Do read this. This is, after all, medical equipment. You should totally go through this at least, as many times as possible. These are the cups. Okay, it also comes with 4 AA batteries. I'm going to keep them right here. One. The package that it came in has torn, unfortunately. 2. 3 and 4. 4 AA battery. This is what you need to run this particular device. These are the cups, and this is the tube that connects the monitor. Also, there are instructions written here on how to put this on. We will get to that. We will try and do a small demonstration for you. But before that, let's take a look at the device itself. This is what it looks like. This is the Omron HEM7120 fully automatic digital blood pressure monitor. The tube connects over here, obviously. And there's a start-stop button. One button will do all your duty. The batteries go in here. Let's just put them in. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I think we are ready and good to go. Let's press on start and see if this works. Well, it does work. There is some display. Nothing else is happening because, as you can check, I'm going to stop. I will try and put this on my arm. And I'm going to attempt to take my pressure with this particular device. Let's see if this works. Start. Oh, it's working all right. I can feel the tightness. The numbers are rising quite rapidly. Coming down. I seem to have very low blood pressure. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I think it's measuring both my systolic and diastolic. I guess one at a time. Okay, 115 systolic and 71 diastolic. That's on the lower side, but I've always grown up with this, so this means I'm still healthy. And that's it. This is how you use this particular device. Also, this is what you will find inside the box containing the Omron HEM7120 fully automatic digital blood pressure monitor. Thank you for watching.